we got a game. Oh my God. That scooter, nigga. That scooter, nigga. I told y'all my nigga like that for real. They not fucking playing around. Oh, that's a dog. That move was nastier than dare I say Hoover back. They showing you what happened when you come to the hood, bro. We across the street from the project. They got their juice back. Oh my. Oh shit. It's a game. We got a game. Keep it 100 fam, it's your boy J-Man checking in another video, Friday Night Lights. We here at the beautiful A.H. Parker High School, man. Home of the, you know, the state champ. Y'all know, y'all was there for the state championship game, right? Y'all remember that. Big game. They playing Hoover High School. Y'all know Hoover. Home 2 days, MTV. Y'all know Hoover. I don't have to keep explaining it. Like I said, if they're not talking about Tom Sanders football in Alabama, they talk about Hoover. Hoover got 2 losses, Parker got the 1. This is the sideline game of the week, ladies and gentlemen. We got a sideline game for y'all. I told y'all we was gonna have one. We don't disappoint y'all too often, bro. All the other games might have been slow, but this one, it's gonna be a good one. So as long as y'all with us, we with y'all. The game gonna be broadcast. Y'all gonna enjoy everything that we enjoy. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. Real talk. Are we going? Oh. No, we not. Oh, it's already a brouhaha. It's already trying to be a brouhaha, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. This is crazy. Who the fuck is this in this suit? 2 players I really want to highlight. Let y'all know about. Do y'all remember Hueytown High School legend James Winston? We do too. His little brother, Jonah Winston. He plays for Hoover, number 4. He's an athlete. They got him listed as an athlete, bro, but I think he's a wide receiver. Committed to Florida State, man. He committed to Florida State right after they beat Bama. Unfortunately, I wasn't too fond of that, but it's okay. That's for Hoover though. For Parker, I'm gonna be a little biased, and I'm cheesing and everything. My little cousin Scooter, man, Keywan Greg Jr., by the way. Number 9 wide receiver for Parker. My boy got some O's. I ain't trying to be that person, but that nigga the best wide receiver on the field right now. He faster than everybody, bro. I expect that nigga to have at least 1. At least 1. If he get 2 or 3 or 4, we just gonna have to watch and see what the fuck happens. Nah, hell no. Already. Oh my God. They so monstrous. They so monstrous, bro. Like I can't not see them going back to the state championship. Okay. Yeah, same play. Great. Same play. Same fucking play. These niggas is hungry as hell. Oh my God. These niggas is hungry as shit right now. Good pass, nigga. Oh man. Oh man. That was a hell of a pass, bro. Well, it was decent. I'll give it a 6. It should have been, if it was in front of him, bro, they'd have got the first one. Oh my God. Oh, he blocked it. That's 6. That's 6. That's 6. That's 6. Oh shit. Oh wow. Oh wow. Shit. Oh, they started off early. They starting off early. They starting this shit off early, chat. I'm trying to tell y'all. Just off the special team play. 6-0 Parker. Seven 7-0 Parker, man. Damn, they ain't even, offense ain't even get to touch the rock yet, boy. This is crazy work. Don't matter. It is not gonna matter. Yes, it is. All right, now. Make a split. God damn. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh wow. God damn. Oh wowzers. Oh man, these niggas turned up. These young niggas turned up, bro. They are fired up, bro. I fuck with Hoover for the uniforms though. The uniforms hard. With the orange gloves hard. If niggas have orange cleats, tough. PI. Not at all. That's fine. I ain't going against it. Third down. Money down right here, man. Low-key was a PI though. Don't tell nobody. Good throw. Terrible throw. I misjudged it. Fourth down again. Fourth down again. That's all I'm gonna say. Fourth down again, bro. Parker offense still gotta touch the rock, man. Beat him. Hoover defense came out hitting, bro. Okay. Hoover defense came out there with something to prove. Terrible fucking pass. I guess. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Oh, that is a clobber. Damn. That running, hey, bro. You're not getting it past that D-line. That shit over with. That shit over with. They need to figure that shit out. I already did. I can't do everything, bro. I'm just a man, bro. Just a guy. Yo, these weak. Oh, wow. Touchdown. Ain't that got a B word? That was a hell of a RPO, bro. They just left him back there on the island. He was just there by himself, bro. Nobody was there with him, bro. Damn. 7-6. Just like that. We still got a game. 7 minutes left in the first quarter. Oh my God. Is that Scooter, nigga? That Scooter, nigga! I just hate that he got that Guardian cap on. I told y'all my nigga like that for real. I told y'all that. You gotta take that Guardian cap off though. Take that shit off, bro. You pissing me off. You ruining it. You ruining everything. Damn. Oh, that's him. Too far. Next one. Too far. That was too far, bro. Damn. That was 6, too. Damn, that was 6. Ugh. I'm making it hard for us. Chill out. Good bounce. Good bounce out. Oh, Scooter, get the block, nigga. Running back, nice. Hoover defense just ain't letting up, bro. They gonna have to throw the ball. They gonna have to throw the ball if they want to win over. How did you miss him? How did you miss him? How did he miss him, bro? Oh, how did he miss him? He was wide open. I can't. Hell no. That nigga pissed. He's just passionate, bro. Cool, huh? These run plays ain't gonna do it, bro. They just not gonna do it, man. Second down. Shit. That was one of them. That bitch was there. Ooh wee, boy. They turn, bro. I keep telling y'all, this is a game. This is a game. Hell, bro, this little read option quarterback key decision, that play is not gonna work. It hasn't worked the whole quarter at all, not even a little bit. Like if you're gonna give it to the running back, give it to the running back, bro. It's not fooling anybody. You're gonna have to, both of these teams, it's probably gonna be a shootout. You're gonna have to throw the ball to win. Whoever can throw the ball better, we're gonna win this game. That's what it's looking like. D-lines ain't giving shit up. All right. 10-7 Hoover. Very good first quarter. I ain't know what they expect, but that's a football being played. I told y'all was in for one. We was gonna get y'all one good one. The past couple games we done been to, they done been blowouts. We done left at halftime. We gonna get y'all one good one, for sure. What? What the F word? You can't muff the kickoff. Muffing is for punts. You can't muff the kickoff return. You can't do that. Now Hoover knocking on the doorstep again before there was 46 seconds left in the first quarter, bro. That's crazy. You can't muff the kickoff, bro. You can't. That's mental. That's mental. Brr. Oh. A little bit of the oopsies. You gotta catch that one. You can't do that. That was a touchdown. That was a given. That actually was a given. It was right there, bro. Oh, that's a PI. Somebody got the PI. I feel like that's on the offense though. I feel like that was offensive PI. He kind of pulled DB down a little bit. But they probably gonna throw it the other way. This little run shit ain't gonna work, bro. Damn. Oh, he's, bro. This run shit not gonna. I said this shit. I don't know how many times I gotta say it, bro. This running shit is not gonna happen, bro. That shit's not gonna work. Oh, they hurrying. They hurrying up. It's not happening. Oh my God, it's not happening. I'm no coach, bro, no football expert, but this shit's not happening, bro. We gonna see though. This is the only run play that's gonna work. And it didn't even work. Hell no. Bro, they like that. What's so hard to understand? Bro, my thing is, chat, what's so hard to understand that you're not finna run the ball against these young guys, bro? You gotta throw the ball. If you wanna beat them, bro, you're gonna have to throw the football. D-line ain't taking that, bro. They not fucking playing around, bro. You can't do that. You're not gonna be able to do that. How about that? You're not going to. Find another way. Roll close. Here. Like, you gotta take a plane, bro. You got to. Just get out of the end zone, brother. You did not do that. You didn't clear any space. Oh. Good pass. You did the best you could. 10-7 Hoover, bro. We're almost halfway through the second quarter. It's really been a defensive ball game for real, for real. But I just need both of them to understand that the roads are blocking. You're not going to be able to run the ball. One of these plays, somebody going to find the gap. Of course, that's football. But otherwise, bro, you going to have to throw it, bro. Whoever throw the ball better going to win the game. Bro. I said throw the ball better, not throw the ball like that. That was to the dirt. Nobody could have caught that. Smurf couldn't catch it. That was terrible. You said Macarad. Good catch. Touchdown. Not quite. With them, it's like they're getting disrespected because you're not gonna be able to run the ball. It's not happening. It's not. Don't let up now. Don't you tush push. They tush push. And they still didn't get the tush push. They really letting, their defenses, they some dogs. Hell no. That's the only way they're going to be able to run the ball to get a touchdown, bro. And they're going to have to do that shit every time, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy work. 16-7, Hoover. Fuck. Don't be scared of it. I ain't mad. He almost coughed that bitch up. He almost coughed that motherfucker up, bro. This running shit ain't getting nobody nowhere, bro. Like, it's just not. What did I just say? Man, bro, I'm not no coach, bro. This running ain't getting nobody nowhere, bro. It's not. You gonna have to take the top off, bro. I don't know what's going on. Damn. Bro. Yeah, y'all finna piss me the fuck off. I definitely finna. Yep, you better find them. Are you serious, one? I don't know how he didn't see his ass over there in the corner, bro. That's twice, bro. That's fucking twice. What's up, man? What it is? What's down? Crazy. That's terrible flag. That's a late flag. It wasn't even supposed to be no flag. That shit was not. It wasn't no PI. That's nasty work, bro. That's pitiful. I picked that one up. Shit. catch. Hell of a catch. That was amazing. That was amazing. Knocking on the doorstep at the end of the first half, bro. I'm telling you. I ain't gonna say what I want to say. On God, I ain't gonna say it, bro, because there's still a lot of football left to be played. Me neither. I don't know what happened either. Great decision to keep the football. Not gonna lie. If you're gonna run it, that's the only way you're gonna be able to run it, bro. It ain't gonna be between the heads, bro. It's not going to. It's gonna have to be a improvised play. It's gonna have to be a scramble, bro. Real talk. Yeah, 23-7 Hoover. End of the first half. Damn. Yep. That way. That way. Here we go. The fucking running again. Here we fucking go, bro. I ain't gonna keep saying this shit all night. Oh my God. That's a nice play. That's a first. Yep. First down. First down. That way. We're going that way. That way. They knocking on the doorstep, man. Look. This would be a great way to answer right after halftime, bro. Because 24-7 on your home field during your alumni night is crazy. Good play. That's 6. That's 6. It's not 6. Not 6. That was a great way for Parker to answer. That was an amazing way for Parker to answer out the halftime. They needed that score. They walked them down the field, just regular scheduled program. They needed that one. I ain't gonna cap. 24. Fuck. Sorry, 24-13 Parker. That was a great way to answer after halftime. They blocked the field goal, but it's okay. That was a great way to answer after halftime. They really needed that one. You can't really count on two like blocked field goals and shit like that to happen, so I ain't really tripping about that. It's cool. What, home team down a score in a field goal? Or probably a little more, yeah. We're down by 11. It's cool. We still got a game. We got a game again. Jonah. Shit. Woo wee. Ooh wee. That was a hit for your ass. He flipped. Got back up though. Tough ass little nigga. Oh shit. Oh my God. I can't cap. I can't lie. That move was nastier than a shit, boy. Don't get it twisted, bro. That one that one little play, I keep telling you, you still not gonna be able to run the ball on these niggas, bro. You gonna have to throw it. Oh, he got my black ass. Touchdown. Ain't that about a B word? Man. It's not looking pretty, bro. I ain't gonna say what I want to say. Because they came out and scored right after halftime, Parker did. So I ain't gonna say what I want to say. There's still a lot of football left, but 31-13 Hoover. 6-something left, 4-something left. I ain't gonna say what I want to say. We just gonna wait and see. Oh. He just not putting them bitches on the money today, bro. Like, he be having, he just not putting them on the money. I don't know what's up. I'm gonna find something now. I'll figure something out. Like, I'm not trying to do that shit. Oh shit, mouthpiece and came out and everything, boy. That shit was fucked up. Oh my God. That nigga there. Lord have mercy, bro. Shit, bro. I ain't gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it, bro. On God, I ain't gonna say it. I just can't do it in my heart. I just can't do it, bro. Cause yeah, they starting to ground. That's a flag. Yeah. Knocking on the doorstep, man. Tush push, he didn't get. Hell no. Oh, he in there. Dare I say Hoover back? I've been saying Hoover back for a long time, bro, but damn. (38-13) Hoover, 16 seconds left in the third quarter. Y'all, I apologize for two things. For one, at the beginning of the video, saying that this was gonna be a good game and that we had y'all a game. It was sideline game of the week. The play don't look like it. And the second thing is what I'm finna say now. It's getting ugly. It's already got ugly. It can only get uglier. It's only been so many minutes in the quarter, man. But being down, got dog 38-13 going into the fourth. When you ain't generating no offense all game, it don't look too good. It just don't. I don't know, 30, what we doing, man? It's not looking too good, bro, but I don't know what I want to do. I want to give them grace because they get, if they, check this out, because they coming this way. No, listen, if they coming this way, if they don't score on this drive, we go. Shut up. If they don't score on this drive, bro, we gonna play. They did that shit on purpose, bro, because they heard we was finna leave, bro. They did that on purpose. First play, bro, man, they did that shit on purpose, bro. Niggas like, man, y'all gotta stay, bro. New goal. If Hoover scores on the next drive, we're leaving. Ain't no way, boy. Nigga heard us. One towel, one glove, one cleats. You got it. You got it. That's two. Good block. The fuck wrong with 19 ass? Shit. I love the cheering, the enthusiasm, and the hope. But if they don't score on this next drive, like, what do y'all like? What do y'all? The hope should vanish, right? Niggas be fucking up, bro. Niggas be fucking up, bro. Don't cheer about recovering your own muff. What the fuck? 9:55 left. In the fourth, by the way. They're down. They're down 17 points, bro. Unless they get a quick score right here. And then, I don't know, maybe what? A turnover? I don't see it. He realized he got to throw the ball. There ain't no flag? That's crazy. There you go. There you go, right there. You better not pick it up, nigga. Get rid of it. Oh, it's fucking holding. It's fucking holding. It's fucking holding. Damn, they needed, that was a good play. He extended that play for a long ass time. It had to be holding. Had to be something. He was dancing in that pocket for a long time. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Damn, we got a game. Oh, we got a game. Fuck. They would start turning up on our ass, bro. That's crazy. $38-28 Hoover. Parker done answered on both possessions, bro. Oh, man. It's looking crazy. It's looking, they Parker seem like they got a little juice back now. They feel like it's a game, bro. It's really, it's 9 minutes left. Hoover go 3 and out right here, man. Parker got a chance to cut that bit to 3. Ooh-wee, bro. We might have a game again, bro. We might just have a game again. I don't know. They heard us, though, because they knew we wanted to leave, bro. That's some bullshit. Just don't kick that bitch out of bounds if you do anything. Leave that bit, right? Yep. They can't be getting in niggas' faces, nothing like that. They got to play a smart football game now. You start getting all the penalties. All they got to do is stay calm, keep doing the shit that they've been doing, bro. The whole second half. We might just have a game again. They're down 10, bro. It's like, ooh, wee. They got their juice back. They got their juice back. Oh, my. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, it's a game! We got a game! They came all the way back, we got a game! Oh, wow! Oh, crazy! Oh, we got a game! Oh, wow, them niggas, hey, I don't know what happened to Hoover, bro. I don't know what happened to him, bro. They getting walked down, bro. Oh, that was a hell of a play, bro. Oh, my God. Ooh-wee. 38-35 Hoover. 9 minutes left, 9:08 left in the fourth quarter. Them niggas was literally down 24-7 at halftime. And they done answered on every drive they had and came up with a key pick 6. They cut it down to 3 and there's 9 whole minutes left. This is a totally different football game from where halftime was. It's totally different. Them niggas is turned over there. The fans is turned on their homecoming, on TV, sideline game of the week. I doubted myself twice. I told y'all we had a game. I told y'all we had something. Don't quote. You need to listen to me when I say it the first time. And you gonna kick it out of bounds on this one? Oh, okay. Good block. Laid his ass out. Oh my God, they got some juice to him now. They got some juice to him now. I like that shit. I like that. They got some juice to him now. This football, they showing you what happened when you come to the hood, bro. We across the street from the project. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, this is. We got a game. Oh my God, we got a game. This running shit ain't gonna do it, ain't gonna cut it. Around it. This is football. Oh shit. They jumped off sides. I saw that shit. You gotta play a smart football game, bro. At this point, what I said a couple drives ago, you gotta play a smart football game, bro. No penalties, nothing. Just do the shit that you've been doing, bro. Oh, PI. Shit. Oh! Yeah. Motherfuckers was so busy trying to pick it up, bro, like, and take their time. If you would've just fell on it, bro, that's just as good, bro.
They got the hood out.
They got the whole hood out here, bro. This is big, bro. Oh my God, they got the niggas all on the gate back there, gang. You gotta grab them. You can't get some shit like that. Oh. 45-35. Fourth quarter, 6:37 left. Hoover up 10. It's still a game, despite what anybody think. It's still a game. Paul can come out here and score first play, then what? Now we back. Now we back to where we at, bro. Hoover sold a little bit, bro, because all this shit happened in the fourth quarter, bro. That shouldn't have happened. Should not have happened, bro. Not for Hoover, but Parker got a different type of fight, bro. They weren't state champion last year for no reason. They weren't state champions last year for no reason, bro. And to be honest, with this type of heart and determination and fight that they got, plus the talent, I don't see why they can't go back to back. All right, Scooter, bro. Don't get your ass popped. Don't get your ass popped, Scooter. Don't start running the fucking ball, please. Good catch, nigga. Get rid of it, brother. You gotta get rid of that shit, man. If they don't get this shit, we leave. It was 4th and 1 though. Shit. It ain't over just yet, bro. They moving down the field. They pass midfield, bro. They moving. If they can get I've seen it happen. If they can get a score, bro, and they got all their timeouts too to Hoover 1. If they can get a score and then get a Hoover stop with all their timeouts, man, you never know, bro. You just never know. Saw what the hell just happened, bro. Third and 3. You need tempo. Come on, man. You trying to bark out orders. Let's go. 4 minutes left. Fourth and 1. 4th and 1. This could decide it right here. Maybe. Oh shit. Come on now. They working, bro, and they got all their timeouts, bro. Get out of there, one. Hey, bro, because they playing like some fucking dogs. They playing like some fucking dogs. What the devil grave was that? Ooh, boy, they live over there, bro. For real. It's for the game, probably. This is for the keep your. You gotta be allowed. Run that. Yeah. He almost fucked that shit up. He should have just fucking ran the fucking ball, bro. I don't know if he's smart enough to know that was gonna be a PI, but guy, if he didn't and you just threw that hoping for a chance, that was ridiculous. But you got the call, 15 yards. I don't know what happened, bro, but it was 2 penalties. It wasn't just a PI. So now they got to redo 4th down, 4th and 12. Like I said last time for the game. Maybe. Now what's that? Now what's that? It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. It's PI. It don't matter. It don't matter. It's PI. It doesn't matter. It's PI, bro. They took it all the way back for no reason, bro. It's PI. That's the real PI. Damn, one fucked up. Oh, 2 fucked up also. And 2 timeouts. It's going over here, bro. It's going over here. I don't like that play call at all, bro. Like I said, pet peeve, bro. Running the play to the goddamn short side of the field. That makes no sense to me, but whatever floats your boat, 2nd down. Trying to see how this shit play out, bro. What the fuck? Those are 2 bad plays or bad throws. I'm not yawning because I'm tired. Yeah. Be a guy. Almost. 156 left, 4th quarter. Like I said, they're down 10. They got 2 timeouts. The Hoovers, none. Anything can happen, but it's 4th and 2, so if they don't convert these 2 yards, game over. Easy touchdown. Did he get it? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now, Bush push. Come on, bro. Bush push, bro. Let's get this shit out the way. Yeah, touchdown, easy. Easy walk in. Walk in. Walk in. Walk in. Walk in. What would you do right here? Would you kick the field goal? I wouldn't. Yeah, I would. I'll take the points. Make it down 3. I would. All right. 45-42. Hoover with the lead. 1:43 left in the 4th quarter. Parker 2 timeouts. Hoover no timeouts. We got it. This is a game, bro. We didn't think it was gonna be a game, but Parker came out and went batshit retarded in the 4th quarter. Where they do that at? Parker apparently. Oh man. I told y'all we was gonna have one. I can't believe y'all doubted me. I can't believe y'all said earlier in the video that it was getting ugly and that we didn't have a game, that we was gonna leave. That's crazy. I can't believe y'all did that. That's wild. I knew all along. Me and Will, we knew all along, bro. We had a game. I apologize for two things. One, at the beginning of the video, saying that this was gonna be a good game and that we had y'all a game. And the second thing is what I'm finna say now. It's getting ugly. It can only get uglier. That's bullshit. That's a flag. It was clever. I'm not mad about it. It was clever. I see why you did it. But you gotta at least let it get. You gotta, the rule is 10 yards, bro. Like, niggas got scared and picked it up. I would've just kicked it off regular and just forced my defense to play football. Now they got that bitch across the 50. I'm not mad about it though. Got me. Let's go. Let's go. That shit over. That shit over. Nah, that shit over. Where is it? Well, see, bro, you the man one up here talking about you want to leave, bro. You up here trying to stay. It's over. I said they get the first down. It's over, bro. No. Man, hell of a fucking game, bro. I told y'all we had a good one, bro. That was a hell of a game, bro. 45-42, Hoover ended up winning. I'm speechless for real, bro, because we thought that shit was over. That shit was over, bro. That shit was bad. It got bad, bro. But Parker showed that why they fucking state champions from last year, bro. And they got fight, bro. They got heart. I don't know how you can't find them repeating, bro. Like, honestly. Easily, in my opinion, game of the year, bro. If it come down to it. Still some more weeks to be played. We still got more games to show y'all, but that one right there, definitely top game, bro. We appreciate y'all being with us as always. Y'all rocking with me, y'all rocking with Will, man. Friday Night Lights, we here, bro. Couple more weeks, man, and hopefully every other game is the same way, bro. Keep it on it. Your boy Jay signing out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Real talk.